Welcome to a new episode and video on my Raspberry Pi 1 running Raspbian Linux and connected to a network cable for VNC, virtual network computing, a serial cable for connection with serial terminal to make sure things do work and to make sure that VNC can work the way I want, and a raspicam, RaspberryPi camera supported by fischertechnik, as well as a bent cable which leads to this breadboard. And this breadboard is stuffed with some electronics in the sense, sorry for shaking the camera a bit. It's connected with some electronics, max 522 in this case, with a resistor and an LED. And last time it showed that it worked. The probes are used to show the SPI signals because it's all connected via the SPI protocol serial peripheral interface 3-wire version. And these 3 probes are for SPI, and this one is for the signal that comes out of the max 522. These wires are for MCP 3008, which is an analog to digital converter, also SPI, but for now not in use. So concentrating on this one. And while setting things up, things went a bit wrong. So to understand that, let's go to the VNC actually to get a grip on what's going on. Doesn't usually happen, but in this case I am afraid it's necessary. And just as I say let's go, the VNC viewer went poof, like there isn't any VNC running. I am now trying to make contact with the minicom serial console, which doesn't do anything either. So while I have camera and while I have some oscilloscope, I have to reboot the Raspberry Pi, which did run because I had VNC running. So now you see on the lowest line that it went off. There it goes again. And why don't I see any colors? I should. That is strange. Anyway, let's see how things work out. This is something that can happen with experiment. It did happen once before, just a sudden reboot, but that it stalls and then reboot and then just crashes. That is new to me. Well, this one I have to disable. Yeah, right. This is serial terminal. It should stay working. So now, first thing to do is tight VNC server. So grab ps-ef lists all processes available. Grab -i VNC is take only the VNC process. -i means disregard the difference between capital and small print. So I only have to kill process 2075 because that is the VNC server. Then no, this one VNC, that is the one that I have to start here. 2 is which I can use for the tablet. 3 is which I can use for the Mac. Can use. Anyway, let's now first make sure that I can connect here. Alright, I am back in business, more or less. But something I don't really get is why I already have this signal, because the software isn't even running. But let's have a little look like this. And yes, the LED is burning. This LED is now burning. So that is quite strange. Anyway, first things first. And this is normally what you do not get to see. No, that's not good. I need to have the stream, not the video, because video is recording, stream is what it says, stream, and that is via VLC. So let me, and then this one. Yep. Oh, this is a nice view. So once again, this one is burning for some reason without the algorithm running anyway. Strange. And let's get here, this one again. So what you also do not see normally is that I do start the daemon for the piscope. And this is a bit strange. I think I'm in the wrong directory now. Yeah, I should be here. Pi GPIO daemon. Now it's running, and now I can go back here and start the piscope. There it comes. And the oddity is that time doesn't run. Last time it did not run anyway, which is very, very odd. Alright, let's start a new window. And this is the program I should be starting. and here I should have the source code, but that comes later. First, what will happen if I start software now? I don't see anything happen, not even here. Okay, quit. Again, this happened last time as well. Now I see result here. And I have to change the time base. Yeah. So anyway, this is how it should be working. The only question is, why does this reset itself? The time should just go on and on and on. Show live data. This is live data. Okay, anyway, it's back up and running. That's good. But why does this start without me running the program? Alright, so now one of the questions is, why is this data not showing live? It is stuck at between 200 and 400 milliseconds, which is nonsense. This should be running completely through. So I started and here we go again. And instead of going all the way through, it starts over with the mouse at the starting point. This doesn't make any sense. I'm not quite sure why. Play once, normal speed, yeah, alright, I don't mind. That is how it should be. Does it start all over again? I don't know, I don't think so. This is acting normally. At least by the looks of it. Can I take a look right here? Of course I can. So with respect to the data shielding it with my hand, can I see that it glows? Not really. I can only see on top that it glows. So looking here, how can I make sure that it, let me try to show it like this. Yeah, it does glow. But when I stop it, and it is and it's going to 500, but I'm going to stop it anyway. This now it should stop, and it doesn't. So that doesn't make sense. Is it delayed? I don't know. Let's probe and disconnect this one. Probing here now gives the same. Then probing at the actual output pin. And probing at the other output pin. And now I should be careful, and let me by all means select the whole picture. Now I have to be careful not to touch the other one as well. So this should be 0, which it is. So why is this one constantly high? It should not be. When the program is done, so much for the signal. Unless there's a delay going on, of which I don't know. So, looking at the schematics, it is output A that, which is 5, yes, that is correct. Output A has the signal, output B doesn't. On the other hand, if the signal from here is not coming through, then why is this here going? Oh, wait, then I can measure output on the input, the signal on the input, which is 8, not 3 but 8. So let's do that. I have to really measure the output on the 8th pin, which is here. Which is nothing. So if I now start this, no, wait, yeah, start. This signal should change. Yeah, it does. Big time. So I quit. No, wait. Let me I haven't even stopped the program and things go a bit nasty. Alright, let's keep it like this. What is the signal that I'm getting? Nothing right now. Why am I not getting anything? This is very strange. As if the wiring is not quite optimal. So if there's no signal here, how can the LED still glow? That doesn't make any sense. Measuring on the port itself. Not on the wire, but on the port. Alright, quit the program. So something is odd. Okay, now the signal goes low. Starting again. Ignoring the LED. And I'm just looking at the oscilloscope. And there definitely comes signal through. Yep. There's definitely signal coming through. No doubt about it. The signal here comes through. But still a very big question on how it actually does work then. Let me keep this one like this. So once again, how is this working? Very strange. Alright, so I'm being tired of probing with just this wire here, which gives a very strange effect. Although it's data in. I have put yet another bent staple in the same lane, so it's connected to the input and it gives this signal. Now, yeah, alright, it has ended. Let's start it again. And let's stop it. Wait till CS is going down again. Is it? I don't see it. It did go down. Okay, let's go. So I choose to ignore this. And let's see the oscilloscope again. Where's my signal? Where is my signal? This is clock. This is data. There's my signal. But where is it here? I do not see it. go. I hope I do not have to restart it. This is downright annoying. So I have, okay, let me show it in a different way. So here is a staple band connected right to the data in pin for this one, coming straight from here, and it measures nothing. From here, yeah, I haven't, maybe it's a problem that I haven't connected reference. But what is reference anyway? I do not know. The point is that this is a dual digital to analog converter, hence out A and out B. I still have to dive into that, by the way, but this is 8, which is converted, which is connected right away with the out, the in, which are connected, interconnected because of 3 wire. So somehow I still don't get it. This is still alive. So where are my signals? On the normal oscilloscope. When I look at the oscilloscope with bare eye instead of the camera, I see some signals flashing by. Alright, then let me run some more probe directly on the port. And I have to be careful. And I still don't see. Yeah, now I see something. Alright. So it is alive. Reconnecting to this one. So I probed here and now I reconnected it to this staple. Do I see it? I should see the same signal as I see here. But do I? It's still going on. And this is nice. No, I don't. So for some reason, is this indeed in the same lane? Yeah, it is. It definitely is. Alright, pull it out. Stick it in. Yeah, and now I have it. I just saw it coming by. This is very strange indeed. Anyway, it's almost time to wrap this video, but I think I should completely ignore the piscope. And the signal coming into this is good. But why the LED is acting differently, I really don't know. And I'm past time already. So the thing is, what's going on? I don't know. Probing on the output gives no real meaning. Probing on the input shows that something is working. And apart from that, I'm still with some mysteries. So for now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. What have I missed? What should I do? How should I do it? You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please donate to keep videos coming to you, including my blog where I put links to software I've used, etc. Always worthwhile checking if you're interested. So you can donate for my website, etc. Via PayPal and Wired, which is banking. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website, and depending on the pledge you make, also with my videos. All information is under this video, URL of my website, and this is obviously going to be continued. So for now, have a nice day and